Hello everyone, I'm Mustafa Khan and today I'll tell you how to download and install R in RStudio. RStudio is an integrated development environment for R. So first of all, we'll go and search RStudio on Google. Just search RStudio and you'll get this result. Go on this. So we'll be installing it on a Windows environment. So RStudio, basically, it is a must-know tool for everyone who works with R. It is used to write and execute R code. It can be used in data analysis to import, access, transform, explore, plot, and model data for machine learning and predictive analysis. So first of all, as a start, we'll download and install R and then go for RStudio. So I'll click on the download. So as we are doing this for Windows, we'll be selecting the Windows one instead of Linux and Mac. It depends on what your operating system is. So you can download the one that you require. And as we don't have any R installed on this PC, so we'll be downloading the base first. So click on download. The download has started. And as soon as the download finishes, I already have a version, but it's going to take around 30 seconds to download. So I'll go on show all downloads. So now we go on execute. We click on yes. Do you want to just have to make changes? Select the language, your preferred language, English. And then next, select the path that you want to install it in. Next, all the files, yes. And please specify yes or no. Do you want to customize the startup options? No, we want the default options. Setup will create the program shortcut. So it's going to show us an R. Create a desktop shortcut. You can select these as per your choice. So our installation is complete. Now we'll go back on the same link, search for this. Now go for RStudio. So now it has started downloading the RStudio. I think it will take a minute or so. And after this video, I'll also show you how to work on different transforming data, importing data into R, and other videos will be added after this. So it totally depends on what your download speed is. So once the download is complete, we double click. Do you want to apply? Yes. We select the language. Language is English for us. Yes. Yes. Next, the path for RStudio. Okay, so RStudio started. So the path for RStudio, install. So RStudio installation is finished. So I accidentally executed another installation for R. So we are going to exit this one and now search for RStudio. This is the installation for R, and now I've executed RStudio. Yes, use your machine's default 64-bit version of R. Okay. So now we have installed RStudio, and now we are able to execute the RStudio IDE. So thank you for watching this video. In the further videos, I'll show some functionality of the RStudio and different workings. Thank you.